Ito ang Linis Chika. Sa 6 years niyong pagmamahalan ni Belle, ano na ang love para sa'yo, Donnie? Sabi ni Donnie Pangilinan na talagang tagos na tagos sa puso at talagang mapapahanga ka talaga sa pagmamahal niya kay Belle. Sabi ng aktor, alam mo, nandito na kami sa stage in our life that we choose love is a decision. Every single day. It's an intention. Love is an intention, is not a feeling anymore. And sa 6 years, ang na-realize ko that love matures, feeling change, fade, and fluctuate, but real love stays because it is chosen daily. At some point in life, love stops being about kilig and becomes about commitment, effort, and consistency.